Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to create a new project where it will be a quiz about football in Python. So first let's get started by creating a new variable called score. So we did not answer any questions, so our score is 0. Okay. So next thing we'd like to do is print. So we're printing welcome to the football quiz. Yep, close it up. Then next thing I'd like to do is just create a new variable called, for example, answer equals input. Like our answer equals input, so what we write, input who won the FIFA World Cup 2022 ? And next we have to do is just write if answer equals Argentina colon, then you have to print correct, and score plus equals 1, like we add to the score. And then we write an else statement, else we wrote incorrect, it will be print wrong inside the strings. Yep, so now let's copy this and then just come a little bit down and just print it again. And let's change the question and write, for example, like who is the world's top scorer now ? So if the answer is Ronaldo, it's correct, else wrong. Then let's print again. Like now let's ask like for example, yes, who won the FIFA World Cup 2018? If the answer is France, then like you're correct, and +1 to your score. Now let's copy it again and let's change the question again. Like we can ask who is CR7? If the answer is now it's correct, and at the end we have to print how your score. So okay, we write f, open up our string and we write like how to do this. You write this n, and then you got no, instead of this we can just write score, print score. Okay, now let's save it up and let's run it. Who won? Argentina. Correct. Who's the world's top scorer now? For example, Ronaldo. We want France. Quiz 7, Ronaldo. Correct, 4. Our score is 4. So okay guys, this is all for quiz. See you in the next video. Bye bye.